in the MAAPP dashboard, I'm logged in. I am logged in as a high school counselor. And I am going to, and this is my dashboard. So this tells me right off the bat, I can see how many students have completed a MAAPP application at my school. So I have 5 students who've completed the MAAPP. I have 3 of those students have completed a FAFSA. 2 of my students have missing documents. And 2 of them have missing ACT information, help information, and GPA information. And then there are certain times of the year after we have started, after the financial aid office has started awarding, you can see how much aid has been awarded to the students at your institution, and in what program. Okay, so I want to see, I want to look at my students for this year, my graduating high school student. Okay, so I am going to look at the 21-22 age year. So these are students who are graduating in May of 21, applying for college in the fall of 21 and the spring of 22. I only want, right now, this is going to show all students who may have graduated from my high school. I only want to see 2021 graduates, okay? So these are the students who have either submitted a FAFSA or a MAAPP from, and I'm a counselor at a dummy high school called Hospitality State High School. These are the only students who have completed a FAFSA or a MAAPP at my high school. Now I can click on Joe here, and I can see all of his information. So I can see pretty much what Joe sees if he logs into his personal MAAPP account. I can see his date of birth. I can see his overview information. So I can see that he submitted his MAAPP on February the 24th. I know he applied for the undergraduate grant program, so that would include MTAG, MESG, or HELP. I can see that he has submitted a FAFSA. But then I can look over here and I can also see that he still needs to submit his parent's driver's license. He needs ACT score, HELP core curriculum needs to be certified, and his high school grades need to be verified. I can look at his applicant information. I can see, okay, I can click on his academic tab and see that he doesn't have any information here. Now I can go over to high school, and because I'm his counselor, I can actually edit his info. So I can ask his counselor, click edit info, and I can enter his GPA. So if we, I'm going to enter his GPA as a 2.5. I'm going to enter his highest ACT composite score is a 24. And that was from the February 2021, or let's just say January 2021. He didn't take the SAT, so I'm not going to fill that out. I don't know if he's a national merit or semifinal, so I'm not going to fill that out. I do know that because all of my students at my school complete a curriculum that is meets the requirements for the HELP core curriculum. So I'm going to say that yes, he has completed the HELP curriculum. And then I'm going to certify that all of this information is true. And I'm going to click Save. Okay. Now I know that Joe has now has an ACT score on file. He now has a GPA on file. Now, it's going to tell you right here that this is still needed because this information has not been submitted yet to the Mississippi Student Financial Aid Office. They actually have to import this that data that I just submitted into their database. But by tomorrow, this data will be updated. So you can log back in. I could log back in 24 hours and this would all be updated.